you should stop peeking against the burst damage, and then the torpedoes sometimes chase you a little bit. So they're great for finishing off these kills. Luke! Oh, Luke! No! I cannot believe what I have just witnessed. Lumino with the fattest Ajax. Oh, just as moment, we're looking to try to end the game. Oh, it is, the spaghetti is on the floor. It's dripping from the ceiling. I don't know what it's clogged up the garbage disposal. I turn on the tap and it's just spaghetti coming out. What is going on?
They were like, yo, do that move that Violet did last year, bro. And he's like, yo, watch this. And just...
Bro, he can't even type. He's got money in the chat. Please.